But she is doing it for me, right?
Yeah, obviously I
So,
have to do it.
tick 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 tick. Stop doing that. Hi guys, and welcome to this channel. So today's video, I thought to bring my sister in this video. So this is the second time that I'm filming with her, and today I thought to do something fun over here. Last time we have done the sister tag, and this time we'll just exchange our makeup bag. So it's been after a very long time that we are meeting each other because of this pandemic we were at different cities. So yeah, so we gonna be changing our makeup bag. I will be using her makeups and she will be using mine, and we'll definitely gonna make some twist in it. Is that I'll be asking her 5 questions about me, and same will go for her, and we'll just do how well we know each other basically. Are you ready for it?
Yes, definitely.
Yes. So first of all, I'm just gonna give my makeup bag to her. So I have got a lot of product, and I know she have very less.
Yeah, obviously, comparatively. Yeah.
So let's just start with it. And are you prepared with all the questions?
I don't know. I just ask whatever comes into my mind.
Fine. So obviously, I'm not gonna use her mascara. She'll use her. Don't use others' mascara. First of all. I think I'm gonna use her this Lakme 95 Natural CC cream.
Moisturizer or what?
No, I don't have. I have got the BB cream from Pond's. If you want me to use, yeah. So basically, we'll use very minimal makeup. It's only because she has got very less makeup in her makeup bag. So yeah. So I'm gonna start with asking the first question. So are you ready for it?
Yeah.
Okay. So answer me, which is my dream destination to visit, which will be my dream destination according to you that I wanted to visit in my life, for traveling purpose, basically holidays and all.
Okay. So is there any hint system there?
If you want hint, it's very historic place, ancient architecture is over there. Yeah, definitely. Yes, I wanted to go to Italy, basically. I wanted to visit Rome. So yeah, you can ask the next question.
Okay.
You can ask.
So
anything.
what is my what is the one of my favorite movie recently that I have seen?
Movie?
Yeah. Recent movie. Like 2 or 3 days ago I have watched it. One of my favorite movies.
2 or 3 days back.
Yeah. It's very simple because I have been always bragging about that movie in front of you every time.
Is it a South Indian movie?
Not definitely not the South Indian movie.
Because we are totally into South Indian movies nowadays.
Okay.
That's. Give me some hint other than that.
Okay. It's a Hollywood movie, and
Okay.
Recently I'm crushing on this very known actor, obviously, and everybody likes that actor. He's infamously and very charming character. You know him. You have seen his movies.
Have I seen this movie that you have watched?
No, definitely.
Is it a new movie?
Not a new movie. It has released 3 years back, and I have watched it recently.
Okay, that's tough because I'm not into Bollywood movie. You have seen Hollywood?
Yeah, it's a Hollywood movie.
Tom Ellis movie? No, he
doesn't. No, he's in web series.
Yeah. Oh God, I don't know.
Come on, I have been given you.
I want to pass it. I don't want to take a guess in it. I don't know.
Call me by your name, you dumb.
What?
Call me by your name.
Oh, okay.
I have been bragging about this name every day since I come to our hometown.
Okay, yeah. Call me by your name. Everyone has watched it. Other than me, everyone has gone and watched it. I have not watched it. But definitely
watch it.
Call me by your name. The Crybaby song is there, right?
Crybaby movie song.
No, the TikTok is going famous.
No,
with
no,
it.
no.
It is not the movie song.
No, it was just edited.
Okay.
Yeah.
Anyways, I have just seen that video. I have not seen the movie. Yeah, I don't know it. Okay, fine. My next question.
Yeah.
Next I will be going with. I think I'll just put on some kajal because as we are not going anywhere, we are going to stay home. Can you give me the mirror?
Yeah.
So, my next question will be, which was my first mobile phone that I used? First mobile phone, if ever.
Micromax?
No. We just had a like discussion on it.
Nokia.
Which Nokia? Which
Nokia
one?
N8, obviously.
No. Yes.
Nokia N8. It was the first one, I guess. Okay.
So, like
Tough
it's
question.
like 90% of us has used it as our first mobile phone ever. It's from Nokia, definitely it's from Nokia, but just you don't have to give the number because I am also not sure about the number. Just at least give a hint how the mobile phone used to look like. It has been discontinued in the market. It's not, you'll not find it
I
anymore.
don't remember it.
That's snake phone. Black and white snake phone.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Fine.
Got it.
Yeah, I get it. Totally. You don't have any compact color, I guess.
No, I don't use it.
What is it? It's a flash. Should I use it?
So you can go ahead with your next question.
So my next question is okay. It is the same question. Like, which is my favorite place? Name 3 favorite places that I want to visit.
You have 3 places.
Yeah.
Is it out of India or in India?
Yeah, it's in the world, I would suggest.
That means India is also there. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So if it's India, according to me, it's Goa.
Okay, next.
Okay. The next will be. You always talk about Paris. So I think Paris.
No, it's definitely not in my list.
Okay. Can you at least let me know about the continents for the next 2 cities?
Okay. It's in Europe. One is in Europe and one is in America. Like northern part of America.
So it will be LA, Los Angeles.
Okay.
Okay, got it. So the next one in Europe, I think London.
No.
Am I close?
Yes, you are close.
Okay.
You know this place.
Positano.
No.
Okay, that's in my list. Anyways, France. You are not going to Paris. It's Rome.
You're definitely close.
Okay. It is same country. It is. It is in
Yeah.
Italy.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Other than Venice.
Yeah, Italy. It was the answer. Dude. I just told you.
Okay, got it. So I have got this answer correct. Fine. The next one, I will go with a little bit of lip color, and I don't want to do much with my face because we are going to stay in home. So yeah, my third question is, I have asked you the 2. Okay, the third one will be, I have actually thought about it and not getting it. Okay, who is my recent favorite YouTuber?
I don't remember.
I was just watching her video.
I know, I don't remember her name. It's a her.
Yeah, it's a her, but
Yeah.
at least I have. Yesterday also we had a discussion on it. You have typed her name incorrect. Then I corrected you.
I don't remember.
Her name is similar to a star.
It's a she. Definitely What's her shape?
I was just watching her video. And her, I'm just giving you the hint. Her name related to star. Star in Bengali or Hindi we call. What we call the star in Bengali?
Naika.
Star.
Tara.
Yeah. Yeah.
I don't know.
Just it's in an American accent.
Oh, Tara.
Tara Michelle. I'm just going like crazy with her videos. I'm in love with her. So yeah, what's your third question?
My favorite brand. Like makeup brand.
Okay, makeup brand. Okay. You have used it, right? So I think Maybelline.
Yeah.
That's easy because it's my favorite too. It's very easy.
It's actually very cheap.
Yeah, it's cheap and they have got very good quality makeup products in very affordable range. If you guys have never used it, go and use it. It's affordable, it's a drugstore makeup and it's amazing.
So
you are just designing like you are just okay, leave it.
I have to do it perfectly, right?
Okay, where are you going today? So okay, what is my favorite song? Which I'm going totally gaga about it.
It's an English song.
No. I am continuously I'm just
okay,
going
it's
gaga with
tiny,
this.
yummy.
Right. Yes. It's if you are Bengali, if you're watching this video, if you're Bengali, you know this song. Kichu Chaini Ami Ajibon Bhalabasha Chhara. It's like my favorite song currently, and I'm just going gaga about it. It's actually nice and it's very much meaningful according to me. Yeah, we need some love in our life. Yes. So what's your fourth question? I think we have done with four. Yeah, we have done with four. It's your fourth time. Fourth. For you, fourth.
I'm done with 3 questions.
Yeah.
Okay. I feel correct, right?
No. That one. You have to do it. Or you can be the tick.
Okay. So my 4th question is, I'm really bad at questioning. Okay. My 4th question will be, what should I ask you?
Anything that comes to your mind about you.
Where do I want to settle? Where do I see myself in 10 years?
10 years. You wanted to be architect. I think you wanted to be an architect of interior design. I don't know. I think she is also confused about it. Where is this go? Los Angeles?
No, definitely not. I want to visit a place someday, but I don't want to settle in that place.
What kind of country you wanted to be in? Like, what kind of city you wanted to be in? At least give me the hint.
You know it.
See, you love all these cities, okay?
I don't love all the cities, but yeah, you know that place.
Have I visited that?
No. You know, it's out of India. You never went out of India.
Okay, let me guess in that case. Maybe in London? Paris?
No, Paris. Yeah, it's London.
Okay, London. I got this answer. So I've got 3, I guess.
Yeah.
I've got 3 answers and you have got 3.
4.
No, you have done one mistake.
I
But
did
phone.
say Nokia.
Phone.
I did say
Phone.
Nokia.
Phone. So it's 3.5. Okay. So my last question is, it's really funny. I was thinking about this question. I literally laughed because it's something related to YouTube, and If I go back to my previous like old videos, I love it. I don't know why other people don't love their old videos. I love it to see it. Question is, what was my first ever YouTube video that I have filmed? And definitely we have, you were sitting with this camera over there and you have helped me to film it. If you can remember. I remember it. We have filmed it.
It's been 3 long years.
So what I actually remember it which date I have filmed it.
It was your first video.
But I remember the day when we have filmed it. It was Doshami. I was wearing your dress.
You were showcasing all the sarees or what to wear.
My first ever video. You were sitting with our first digital camera. And you were helping me to film the video, and also I was wearing your dress. It was Doshami.
I don't remember.
It's something related to hall, but what hall I was showcasing?
Durga Puja?
Hall, what I shopped.
Okay.
What the most favorite thing was for a year back? What was I was liking very much? Like what was my favorite thing to do a year back?
First,
I was showcasing all of my makeup that I have purchased for that year of Durga Puja. I think it was 2015, I guess.
2017 or
16, I think. 16, not that long ago.
Okay.
Yeah. So yeah, your last question, and I think you're done with your makeup. I'm done.
Yeah, I'm definitely done with the makeup. What is my favorite flower? Yeah.
Lily?
Shut up. No.
Rose?
Gee, no.
You love flowers. I don't love flowers.
Yeah. I never spoken of that, but yes, I do love flowers, but I never told them.
Okay, because I don't know why. I don't love flowers, so I think I naturally assume because she's almost like me, so she also will not love
I don't
flowers.
like flowers, like rose, lily, or whatever.
And you don't love marigold. You don't love hibiscus.
No, I don't love.
Not rose, not lily. Rajnigandha.
No,
Rajnigandha.
I love that smell, but no,
Okay. What I left other than this?
it's very expensive and it's very, very rare.
Orchid. Okay. I got 4
I
answers.
have given you hints.
So then also I have also given her a lot of hint. Okay, I have won this match. She has got 3.5. I have got 4. I have won.
What is this 3.5?
Yeah, you just told Nokia. You have not explained it. It was a snake black and white mobile. Everyone used to play like snake. Anyways, guys, I hope that you all have loved today's video. It was really fun to
I look
ask.
so down right now.
No,
Yeah.
definitely not. It was really, really fun to film it because I am at home, I'm with my family. It feels so nice actually, right? We have made after I think 8 or 9 months.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was really long, and finally we decided to come home. And yeah, I hope that you all have loved it. If so, don't forget to click that like button and show some
Definitely
love to
subscribe
me.
her.
Definitely subscribe to my channel. It will really mean a lot to me because it supports me. It also motivates me to film more videos and to edit her more. If you want her in my
I
videos
really
more.
don't like to be in camera.
But yeah,
I'm
she's
so
here.
much uncomfortable right now.
But she is doing it for me, right?
yeah, obviously I
So,
have to do it.
Tick 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 tick. Stop doing that. If you want her in my videos more, let me know in the comments down below. I will be coming with more family content. Like I'm vlogging a lot nowadays in the home. I will definitely come with all this content. And yeah, see you all in this soon. Till then, you all stay beautiful, stay safe, stay at home, and take care of your mental health. Bye.
Bye.